Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the POCO X3 device. Is it worth of buying in the 2021 for the gamers or not? So this whole video is entirely dedicated for the gaming type of users only. The reason why I'm doing this video because recently the phone Mi10i also launched in India, and a lot of users they are really confused whether the POCO X3 is the best choice or should they buy the Mi10i by investing a little bit kind of more money or not. So that's what I thought of making this kind of video particularly for the POCO X3 phone users. So in case if you're thinking of buying the POCO X3 phone for the gaming, then this video will be helping a lot in terms of deciding whether to buy this phone or not. And I'm using the phone for the past I think close to 4 months of using this device, so it's been quite a close to long journey as well. And during this time I did upload so many videos on the POCO X3. I think close to 260 videos I have uploaded on this POCO X3 phone alone, so make sure to check those playlists in case if you plan to buy the phone. So after using so much of testing and so many comparisons with the other smartphones and so many things, so this video I'll be talking about each and every category what the gamers need to know about this device. So first let me try to focus on the processor, so then I'll go to the refresh rate, then I'll try to talk about the charging speed and the battery backup, and then I'll try to conclude all round performance about this phone. So first let's speak about the Snapdragon processor. The phone has a Snapdragon 732G processor. In terms of the processor, it's kind of close to mid-range segment mobile phone, same like the 730G. So there's nothing much improvement, there's little bit kind of improvement is there, but the benchmarks most of the users they don't believe at all. So the real life scenario friends, so right now I did install, you can see so many applications right now I did install in my phone. So close to 150 applications I have installed, and during this time I did so much of testing, so much friends. Trust me when I say so much, because I need to compare this phone with other phones as well. So that's why I did a lot of comparisons in terms of the gaming as well. So I did install heavy gamings, so Genshin Impact, Life After, and so many other games which are close to more than 5 GB of size. So during this time I didn't have any issues with the processor. It was really good and really playable as well, and most of the games they did support at 60 fps, and even 120 fps is also supported in this phone. So the processor is pretty much easy and capable of handling 120 fps gaming as well. So right now if you notice, this is a small game which I'm trying to play, so which may not have the heavy graphics, but still it's playing at the 120 fps. You can clearly see on the top left corner. So this is a default meter which is used here, so which I'll try to talk about the later as well on the gaming future, especially separate topic of this POCO X3. So overall in terms of the performance, it's really good and really fine, so no issues in terms of the performance in the POCO X3 device. And still in the 2021 you can buy this phone, but if you have the money to buy, then definitely choose the Mi10i device if you have the money. Otherwise, if your budget is very tight, the POCO X3 can also be a very good option. So second thing, let's talk about the refresh rate. The phone has the IPS LCD panel display, that's also a good okay, but the phone has 120 Hz refresh rate as well. That's the most highlight key point of this device. But there are some other hidden features in this POCO X3 where you can increase the colors and where you can boost the colors. So I've also uploaded so many videos on this boosting colors, what is called in the POCO X3 device, so which is called the POCO X3 color changing. So I did so many display tips and tricks and hidden tricks as you can see here. So when with color boost and without color boost, there's so much of gaming oriented features which is present in the POCO X3 phone. So the for the 120 Hz it's really good, and even the display is also really good friends. For the first time I'm saying IPS LCD panels are good only in the POCO X3 and other Mi phones because of this software optimization. So we spoke about the processor and 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate as well. So refresh rate is also good. So next is the battery. The phone has a 6000 mAh of battery and 33 watt fast charging. 6000 mAh of battery will give you really good long time gaming. So that is what the gamers need. So not connecting to the wall plug every time. So 6000 mAh of battery will be sufficient for you to play for 5 to 6 hours or 7 hours of gaming as well. And 33 watt fast charging is kind of, it will take more than 1 hour to charge, so that's accepted if you are getting a very good battery backup out of it. So next is the features which is present in this phone. So the first is this is a real-time FPS meter you can use in every application. So you can track the real-time FPS, how much it's coming. That's a inbuilt feature which is there here. And there are some other features related to the game turbo mode, so which is present here, game turbo mode. So we need to quickly play one of the game and to show you the game turbo. So it is a game turbo mode on the top, as you can see, friends, which will be helping a lot in terms of adding so many features extra. So by using this game turbo, you can increase the colors and you can change the voice changer as well while playing PUBG game, and you can use the floating window applications as well. So all the applications will be opening in this kind of small floating window, as you can see here. So much of customization for the gamers. So for the gamer point of view, friends, the POCO X3 is kind of really value mobile phone even in the 2021. So even after long time usage, so this is what I came on to the conclusion. So first is the battery is good, and next is the price of the phone is good, and next for that price you are getting the 120 Hz refresh rate, 240 Hz touch sampling rate, and a decent enough fast charging as well. So these all things about the POCO X3 in terms of the gaming point of view users. And thank you friends for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.